syrup. We're using 2 cups of frozen elderberries. Excuse me, that is a mess. Don't eat frozen elderberry. Don't make me sick. Now we'll add 3 orange syrup. We're making gummies with all the flavors. Now I can eat them.
Ready?
That was yummy, my tummy.
All right, you ready to finish the syrup?
Add 10 old cloves.
No, whole cloves.
Excuse me. And add 5 cups of water. That is red water totally. Cook it on the stove until it reduces on half.
Some other medicinal ingredients you could add to your recipe are cinnamon, ginger, lemon, vanilla, cardamom, and more.
Strain the cup elderberries into a bowl. Use the ladle to press the juice. Now add 1 cup of raw honey. Always add your honey off heat.
The elderberry syrup is now ready. And if you'd like to try it a different way,
Now we'll make gummy. Add 4 patches of plain gelatin.
add 1 pouch of gelatin for every cup of syrup.
Cook it on the stove for about 1 minute or until the gelatin melts. Ladle the syrup into the mold. Let them sit in the fridge for 2 hours. We keep our gummies stored in the fridge for 3 months.
And there you have it, immune-boosting elderberry gummies.
Please subscribe to our channel.
Is it good?